Dang. God dang.
Woo, look at all these bugs. But you know what's not bugging Dustin?
This big fish.
This big fish right here. We're gonna get a weight on it. Suspend drifting here in the middle of the night. The bugs are horrendous.
This might be a PB.
Look at all that good bait. Woo, that's what did it. Oh yeah, that's true. That might be a PB. You want to fold the net there?
Yeah. I'll just...
You get it? What do we got? 55, 54.1, 55, 54, 1, 5.
Minus 2 pounds, so not a PB, 52.
Good fish, bud.
So 52.15.
Woo!
Sweet.
Nicely done. Nicely done.
Watch out.
He's coming to get me. Mad. Fired up. Good fish, bud. Good fish.
All right, buddy. Hold you up and put you back.
Woo, look at that.
There we go.
Oh, he's puking.
That is.
I guess. But there you go.
All right.
Get the release. The beast.
Keep going.
All right, there you go.
Hold on. Good Lord.